Hey guys, welcome back. So we've gotten a few questions on what we use to level our trailer. So today's video, we're going to talk about leveling ramps. For a long time, we used leveling blocks to level our trailer. I just saw too many issues with the leveling ramps breaking and figured I would just cut my losses and do what has always worked for me. Now, we recently installed the Karmtech 10-digit keyless entry RV door lock, and we're very happy with that product. So we thought this was a good time to check out their leveling ramp system. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is complete your warranty registration within 7 days. These levelers have a lifetime warranty. They're tested up to 35,000 pounds, but if they do break, Karmtech will replace them for free, so it's important to complete the warranty registration. This is the leveler. It gives you from a 1/2 inch to a 4-inch lift, depending on how far up you drive. On the bottom of the leveler, you'll see these slots, and I'll show you what they do in a second. These are the chocks. Once you drive up to your desired level, you'll place these under the thin side of the leveler. The tabs on the chocks will lock into the slots on the levelers, and the whole system is now chalked. They really do a better job than other levelers do of locking everything into place. You'll only need 2 standard chocks for the tires on the other side of the camper. Another nice option with the Karmtech levelers is that if your axles are a little bit closer together, you can cut up to 4 inches off the tip of the leveler without affecting the structural capacity of the leveler. There's also an upgraded package that will include these anti-slip mats for under the leveler and a carry bag for everything if that's something that you want. So the ability to use X-chocks with these levelers was a concern for me. I only needed to raise my trailer a 1/2 inch at our most recent campsite, and even with the majority of the leveler being unused, I was still able to install my X-chocks. If you are on rocky ground with less surface area touching the leveler, any leveler you use can slip while you're driving on it. The anti-slip mats really help to prevent slipping in these types of situations. So if you're on the fence about which package to get, I would strongly recommend getting the package with the anti-slip mats. The reviews on these levelers are phenomenal. They will definitely cut time off of your setup process, and so far we are 100% happy with these leveling ramps. I'll put links down below in the video description to all the different leveling packages that Karmtech offers. And just like the door lock, they are having these on sale through the month of June 2022. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.